Alright, so today we mowing lawns for the first time in several years. And so seeing how rusty I am will be a very interesting thing. We've got Josh on the camera. The last time I remember mowing is actually training Josh when he first started Augusta. So today is mostly for just film's sake. There's no real reason I'm out here doing this. But we'll mow some lawns today, make sure I'm not so rusted I can't do this anymore, and it should be fun. These are actually old neighbors of ours. We're going to a neighborhood I used to live in several years ago. And so these clients know me really well, so I'm sort of hoping they don't come out and want to talk for 15 minutes. And the next door neighbor is actually a franchisee of Anytime Fitness in Seattle. And so if we get unscathed in terms of butchering our time from talking to people, then this will be a successful job. So I think on this one we got, the notes on this is front yard only, and then we got 18 minutes on this job. I think we can do this in 12 if we don't get interrupted. So we'll see how this goes. Nine minutes, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm just mapping out where we're going to this next job. Oh, I can't remember this one. I think I drove by it. Okay, so this one we got some notes. This is a bigger job. Client said gate is not locked. So these are notes. Client said gate is not locked, just pop it off and enter yard. Do property check and note any suspicious activity and notes here for owner. So I think this is that job where several weeks ago they saw some guy lurking around around the house, so they reported to the owner, and the owner's really appreciative. So I guess if there's any criminal activity, we'll have a camera on site. So this one I should be able to use a ZeroTurn on, which I have not used a ZeroTurn in a very long time. And that's probably the one thing I'm nervous about today, is using the ZeroTurn. forgot to tell how much time I have on this job. Got 52 minutes estimated. I got 45 minutes remaining, so I spent 7 minutes already. Maybe we put a clock down on this one. See how fast I can go. I can beat this time. It's gonna be easy one. Blow, what's it called? Mow, blow, and go. I love it. That was an estimate from last week, and I was going to the job, gave the client a call when I got there, and his sister had had a stroke and he had to go to the hospital, so he still had my number, which is rare. But he gave me a call, and he'll get that set up with the office for the estimate. Delays. Coming out of retirement. A little bit rusty though. We'll see how this ZeroTurn goes. Mistake. Always keep the trimmer close to the job when it's a big job, because you'll usually forget little spots. So there goes 30 seconds. Oh yeah, look at that. 24 minutes remaining. So it was what, 28 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. I wish we were getting paid by performance today.
Any reflections?
Any reflections? I wish we were getting paid by performance today, because we'd be on track for about 30, 31, $29 an hour, which is not too bad for mowing. And I also wish that I had my fancy dancy headphones, because I'd probably be going faster, because I can listen to something. Instead I have these garbage earbuds from Home Depot that were like $1 for 500, and I can't listen to anything. But if I was listening to my headphones today, I would be listening to I'm listening to The Purple Cow by Seth Godin. He wrote the book in 2002, but I still think it's a pretty good book in terms of creating marketing that's remarkable, and it's pretty cool. But that's all I got right now. That's one of our other clients. The other crews will get that one today. we are going back here. This is the seaside one. Alright, so we got notes. Oh my goodness, okay, lots of notes. Don't text and drive. Okay, so we got don't stick edge to the front. There's a wire along the edge. Oh, like an invisible fence. Okay. Do not mow two areas in attached pictures. Okay, so there's gonna be attached pictures. This part. Okay. Includes empty lot. Note from Liz. Sometimes Trevor or his mom are here, but generally low activity. Do not do property check and note any suspicious activity in notes here for owner. Alright, we got pictures. View attachments. See these attachments. These are no mow areas?
Yeah, it's just some rocky, like patches of like big like rocks.
Oh, and we
So,
saw
like-
weed back there.
Yeah.
Got it. Ah, there's a wire.
And then they could get like soggy as well.
Wire next to the edge. So that's actually lighting. Outdoor lighting wire. Alright, start job. We got 1 hour? For this place, we got an hour?
In the spring.
Dude. Oh yeah, that's right. We bag it. You're right. I guess 31 minutes on this one. Here we go. protein bars. All right, so two things that keep powered on the road. These are from Costco. These are my favorite protein bars ever created. They're nothing special. I'm gonna eat these, at least 2 or 3 of these a day. And these are what we call ketosis cups. We're branding and selling these to the public pretty soon. Basically, it's straight cocoa butter and just goodness. But we finished this job. I'll put this protein bar away. We finished this job, but I noticed there's more money to be had here. There's lots of weeds growing, and there's a bunch of alder trees growing in the flower bed. So I'm gonna quickly make an estimate, send it to the office. So I'm just gonna take my phone out, snap a quick video, and since the client's not home, I'll send that video to the office. The office will send it to the customer with an estimate. So, here we go. Hi Trevor, we're just over at your property today, just finishing up mowing and noticed a few things that you might want done. Obviously in the fall we can do more of like the tree trimming and getting this laurel down and things, but for now, there's quite a few weeds up front here. Out next to the road. We can get these all pulled down to the light post, all these weeds in the flower bed. They're trying to get pretty tall. And then there's a couple big ones over here too, just so your neighbors aren't complaining or anything. And then the big thing is these alder trees that are just popping up all throughout the beds. They need to be pulled out, because otherwise they're going to get really big and obnoxious, especially with them being that close to the concrete. So we can pull those out as well and just kind of clean up these beds in the front, pull out some of the buttercup and things that are growing through the boxwoods. And I think that'll be sufficient for now. In the fall we can do more of the trimming and things, but for now we'll get rid of all these weeds in the front beds, along the road, and along these beds, and then also pull out these alder trees that are popping through. Oh, my time. So that job, we had an hour budgeted, and we finished it in 29 minutes. But in all fairness, there's two things that, number one, I did not expect the employees to go this fast. But number two is, it's the summer, like everything, I didn't have to get any clippings, actually put any clippings in the back of the truck. If that was like 6 inches tall, that would have taken a full hour, definitely. So just keep that in mind. It's like the middle of July. All right, so I'm just pulling up WhatsApp, and we have a chat called Augusta Estimate and Expense. So I'm gonna basically send that video, and I'm going to send this video for estimate for Trevor, the name of the client. And then what I'm going to do is email them the quote, the number of hours basically that it would take to do the job. That's good. Well, after being the Brett Favre of lawn care for the day, coming out of retirement, I think it was pretty successful. A little bit rusty there at the beginning, but we beat the times. And if you guys like this, go ahead and comment, share it. Let me know, because we might do more of these in the future. Add some more cameras, make them more fun. Add some drama in there once in a while. So if you like it, you enjoy it, let me know below. If you have any questions about what we were doing today, ask me below as well. How we did the jobs, about the estimated time, software we're using, anything like that, let me know. I'd be happy to help. Thanks so much.